Hello, welcome everyone to question number 5, level order traversal in a spiral form. From the topic trees in must-do coding questions for Geek for Geek. Just have a quick look at the question and we'll be discussing the approach soon. Before that, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you have any doubts, please do comment below where you are facing the problem and we'll be very quick to respond. If you have any extra email IDs, please do subscribe with those IDs. That will be very helpful for our growth of the channel. Now going to the approach of the question, we have to understand the question first. Okay, after that we'll be doing the coding part. Okay, after understanding this basic meaning of the question, then we will be going to the approach of the coding part. Okay, now coming to the understanding of this question, there is a tree given to us and the question is saying that if it is even, we have to print from right to left. What does the even or odd mean here? So even and odd are the levels. Okay, this one will be the zero level, this one will be first level, and this one will be second level. So zero is even here. So for even, we will be printing from right side. So following the rules, let us print these things. Okay, now at the zeroth level, which is even, now we have to print from right to left. So one will come here as an output. Next, we are heading to the next level. Okay, this is the level by level traversal here. It's the level order traversal. From now we are in the odd level here. In the odd level, we have to print from left to right, which will be 1, 2, 3, right? Now 2, 3 have been printed. Now next is even level. Here we have to print from right side. Okay, right to left here. So that will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this will be the output of our question here. I hope you have understood the meaning of the question here, how we are going to print the elements. Now we will be going to the approach of this question. How can we deal in the code? Okay, now we are inside the Geek for Geeks websites here and you can see the code. I will be explaining the code so everyone can clear all their doubts. So we have taken two stacks and one empty list here. Okay, why we have done is the first stack here will store element from left to right side, but the display what we get in the output is from the right to left. Okay, it will store from left to right, but it will give output from right to left. Okay, the stack one will be acting as our even rule. Okay, the element should be displayed from right to left. Okay, but left to right has been stored. Similarly for stack 2, right to left have been being stored, but left to right will be displayed. How do we get that is a question here. So we will get the reverse of the stored elements, because due to the temporary variable that we have taken as result. Okay, when we use the pop operations here, the rightmost element will be popped. Okay, in both stack 1 and stack 2 also. So if you pop the rightmost element, then it automatically means we're taking the elements in the reverse order. Okay, here for example, here you can see while stack 1 or stack 2, we have taken a condition. If either stack 1 or stack 2 is present, then we go to the next statement here inside the while loop, which says the stack 1 elements are present or not. Now here, if you take the same example here, now we have stored one data here. That will be root here. This is the one that we have stored. Okay, now we popped that one and we append it to the result here. Now 1 is there inside the result. Now it is fine. 1 is there inside the result. Now stack 1 is empty. Now it is checking that node dot write. Node dot write is this one. And as it is there, the stack 2 will be storing from right to left elements, but will display left to right. Okay. Now the first 3 has been stored here. Then 2 element will be stored. The next left subtree 2 element is there. Now it will come out of the loop because stack 1 is empty now. Okay. Now again here, coming to the second while loop. Now first while loop has been finished. Now there are elements inside the stack 2, which are 3 and 2. Now if we pop the element inside the stack 2, 2 will come out first. Okay. Now the rule says left to right should be printed, right? So when we use this pop element, the last element will be popped out of the stack here. That will be 2 here. That same 2 will be stored inside the result list here. Now there was 1 earlier. Now 2 will also be stored. Now again same thing here. Left tree element will be appended to stack 1. Then right tree element will be appended to stack 1. And it will repeat itself like this. Okay. Now after the stack 2 has been emptied, again it will check for stack 1 if any element is there or not. Okay. After finishing this whole loop, we will get the final result, which will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 as an answer. I hope you have understood the code and the explanation in the presentation. If you still have any doubt, leave a comment below where you're facing the problem. This is the most simplest code that I can get you. Okay, I hope you have liked the code. Please do subscribe our channel. If you have any extra email IDs, please do subscribe with all those IDs. Let's meet in another question. Thank you for watching till the end.